Hey there folks, welcome back to another episode of What's in the Box?
What's in the box?
Let's get right into it. So here, got a package. I know this is from Temu because I got a notification via email. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it says made in China, of course. What a surprise. So, Christmas lights. Let's open this up. So it's 8 lighting modes, combination, in-wave, sequential, slow glow, chasing flash, slow fade, twinkle, and steady on. So there's these are the like the icicle, the hanging ones, and it is 65 feet. I don't have my glasses, but it's 65 feet. And it's got a nice solar panel because they're solar powered only. And I've got on my shed, my wife's she shed down there, solar powered lights that they light up every night, and those have been going on for a couple years now, and I haven't had a single problem with them. So they've been beautiful. They run every day, so regardless of how much sunlight they get, it seems like they always seem to last, from dark till midnight anyway. So it's a pretty decent sized solar panel. So it's got some controls and stuff. Got a little remote, and of course a little thing to stick into the ground if I want to put that for the remote. It's got a little USB and some instructions, and even thing to, I guess if you wanted to mount the solar panel thing. I paid roughly, it was right at $40 with shipping, because this was a local Temu. Local Temus, they always charge you $2.99 per item from a shipper, which means you're getting it faster. It's not always the cheaper option, but for $40 for 65 feet of these lights, these are all white. My wife wanted white and not any of the colored ones. They had those as well, but anyway, we'll get this hooked up and we'll show this here, see what this looks like. If it's got battery in the, if it's already got a charge. Let's see. I don't know if there's a way to tell. I can't tell at the moment, so we'll get that figured out. We'll get it hooked up. We'll show you what it looks like. Then look at this big old box. This came from Amazon, and I can't remember what I paid for this. Having trouble getting it up there. Let's just open it down here. And see what we got in the box. Oh, it's a doggy bed. So my stepdaughter's dog is coming to visit for a few months while she's on tour in Europe, and got him a nice new comfy bed. I don't know if this is the one for upstairs. Yeah, it probably is, because he gets to come upstairs and visit with us during the afternoon. The rest of the time he's downstairs in the lower level where he runs free. But anyway, nice comfy bed. It's got a lot of cushion in there. I'll put a link onto where I got this from, exactly on Amazon. It's a Boots and Barkley brand. If you're familiar with that, I'm not, but wife gave me the link to get that. So anyway, that's all for this episode of What's in the Box?
What's in the box?
So here we are when it's dark and they're all lit up. You can see that, so that 65 feet just reached around pretty much the whole thing. I think on this side didn't quite go to the edge there, but it's close enough. I'm happy with it. So there you go. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time.